Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into General Assembly, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for General Assembly. Press the Enter key to load the website. Once the page has fully loaded, locate the Login button. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email associated with your General Assembly account in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that your password is correct to avoid login issues. After filling in both fields, look for the Login or Sign In button. Click on the Login button to continue. If your credentials are correct, you will be granted access to your account. In case you cannot remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email you provided. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Repeat the steps for entering your email and new password. Finally, click the Login button again to access your account. You are now successfully logged into General Assembly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.